Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss course practice problem, that is safe and dose. So the problem statement is Saif is a fan of pairs and he likes all the thing that comes in pair. He even has a doll collection in which the doll has come in pairs. One day while going through the collection, he found that there are odd number of dolls. Someone had stolen a doll. Help Saif find which type of doll is missing. So the problem statement is Saif is a fan of pairs. Means he likes all the thing that comes in pairs. So one day he has a type of doll in which he finds some of the doll are in odd numbers. That means some doll are not in pairs. So we have to find which type of doll is not in pairs, means which type of doll is missing. So the input format is we have to enter the t, that is the number of test case, and we have to enter the number of dolls, and the constraint is the test case is between 1 to 10 both included, and the number of dolls is between 1 to 10 to the power 5 both included, and the type is between 1 to 10 to the power 4 both included. So coming to the example, here t is the number of test case, that is 1. 3 is the number of dolls, and the doll type is 1 2 and 1 2 and 1. You will see that this one and this one is in pairs, and is this two is odd number and it is not in pairs. So we have to print which type of doll is missing, and the type of doll missing is 2, because here 2 is not in pairs. So coming to the another example, here 1 is the number of test case, 5 is the total number of dolls. Here you see 1 and 1 are in pair, 2 and 2 are in pairs, and 3 is single, means it is a odd number and it is not in pair. So we have to print 3, means the three type of doll is missing, the type 3 doll is missing, or you can say. So I am using quotes netbeans here. So first of all I have to import the file as import java.util.star. So after that we have to enter the main function is public static void main string args, and after that I have to enter the test. After that we have to take a scanner class, so that we have to take input from the user. So a scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, and after that first of all we have to enter the number of test case as int t is equal to sc dot next int, and after that we have to check that while our test case is greater than 0, if this condition is true, then we have to enter the number that int n is equal to sc dot next int. After that we have to input an array that is int arr is equal to new int and size is the n. For inputting the array we have to use a for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and after that we have to enter an array of I is equal to sc dot next int, and after that we have to take a variable as int k is equal to 0, and after that I have to enter a loop that for loop that goes from int I is equal to 0 to I less than n, I plus plus, and after that I have to declare variable as int count is equal to 0, that will that will basically count the odd number of dolls or the missing pair of dolls. Then we have to enter a nested loop for loop that produces j equal to 0 to j less than j plus plus. And after that we have to check a condition if array of I is equal array of I is equal to array of j and array of I is not equal to minus 1 and array of I not equal to minus 1. In this case we have to basically increase the count variable, and after that we have to check if count modulo 2 not equal to 0. Then in this case we have to write as k is equal to array of I, and after that we have to print the count variable as k variable as system.out.println and then we have to delete our test case. So let's run the problem. Here you see it is running, it runs successfully. So we have to copy this input and paste it here. Here you see 2, the same answer we got. So we have to copy this code and click on the submit button and paste it in the submit area. So in code say please do not accept package and public class, so both we have to remove it and we have to submit it. So here you see submission is good. I hope it gives us a correct answer. So let's see. So here you see it is the correct answer. So guys, this is for our YouTube channel. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you do not subscribe it, please subscribe it. Have a nice day.